Hi, my name is Greg Aganelski. I'm the founder and CEO of EcoWash Industries, and I'm here to share the unveiling of our first electric chassis EcoWash system. Great thing about this new vehicle is it's a 26,000 gross vehicle weight chassis, not requiring a CDL to operate this vehicle. Up to 100 miles in range on fully charged batteries, in which you have on the passenger side as well as your driver's side. These are the full batteries here. All right, and the great thing about this truck, it's a hybrid. What that means is that it allows you to wash all of the industry of solid waste container cleaning, meaning dumpsters and residential barrels. It's not leaving you limited to just one side of the business. A lot of the cities and solid waste companies actually need help with that service. These trucks, they can wash up to 30 dumpsters a day. It comes with 400 gallons of fresh water. This is a hopper. It can hold up to 450 gallons of dirty water. Our spin heads here, EcoBlast spin head, this allows a rotation effect in a 360 manner. You have 4 spin head nozzles up there. We also have an actuator that allows a 90-degree motion, rotating those necks up there with the spin heads to make sure that we're capturing all areas of, inside that dumpster. We're one of the only companies in the industry that has developed an extension on our spin head assembly, which up there you can see the bolt. Those heads actually extend out another 2 feet, giving you more depth in that solid waste container as you're washing a bigger dumpster. EWI is one of the first manufacturers in the country to develop an all-electric chassis EcoWash system, and our goal is to help our clients. And how we do that is by constantly evolving our product, creating the most efficient system out there to help the solid waste industry with their solid waste container maintenance. If you're thinking about doing this business, feel free to give us a call anytime or visit ecowashindustries.com.